RAFAELA has felt trapped in her male body since she was 13. Her family reacted by throwing her out on the street, where her life began to unravel.
I wanted to study astronomy. I never got the chance. I was rejected and thrown out of schools because of my appearance, because I'm a transgender person. I was denied the right to education and to follow a career I would love. After that, I had no choice but to prostitute myself in order to survive. It's the only choice I was given.
Routine things like withdrawing money from the bank or boarding an airplane are ordeals for RAFAELA because her name and appearance differ from the information on her ID card. Other transgender people at this protest outside Parliament face similar problems the new law will now solve. Last April, the European Court of Human Rights broke new ground when it ruled that a legal change of gender should not require a surgical sex change or sterilization. In other words, sexual orientation should be determined by how a person feels, not by their genitalia. Greece is one of 20 European countries where the law was in contravention of that ruling. But the new law is controversial too, because it'll give people the right to determine their own gender at the age of 15. Greek society is strongly family-oriented, which reinforces traditional gender roles, and it is 98% Orthodox, which means that the Church's opinion carries weight.
The Orthodox Church of Greece fully understands the right of each and every person to be different, to feel different, to be distinct. However, this is completely different from the legal imposition of being different as the dominant social norm.
Child psychologists agree.
Puberty is when people search for their broader identity. Who am I? What are my goals? What is my sexual interest? But this doesn't mean that everyone has found their sexual orientation by the time they're 15. It's too early to say that a child has settled this issue.
Syriza has already recognized same-sex marriage and says transgender rights also have to be upheld. But its political opponents say this bill is a cynical attempt to cultivate non-voters in view of future elections. People like RAFAELA don't care about the politics, though. They will rejoice to be able to board planes and perform banking transactions. Psaropoulos, Al Jazeera, Athens.